Okay, you can now see that oil is starting to seep out of the drain plug. Okay, I think we may be done. Wait, we're out of... No, not quite. Oh, that was stupid. Huh. I was worried for a moment that this guy might not come out, decide not to come out. So yeah, well, I put oil in there. This thing is almost a gallon. So yeah, we have fluid left in there. I guess this reached the, I know what happened. The little straw fell in. Oh no, it didn't. It doesn't quite reach the bottom here. So so if we have the, let me just quickly check. I should have more than a liter left in here. Less than that, I've put in about, as much as it'll hold.